Blank is the largest bauxite producing state of India. Right answer is option D, Odisha. Friends, more than half of India's bauxite deposits are found in Odisha. Bauxite is an important mineral used in the production of aluminium. Kalahandi in Odisha is famous for the production of bauxite. Kyoto Protocol is related to. Right answer is option C, greenhouse gases. Friends, the Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. It is an international treaty that aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan. It was adopted on 11th December 1997 and came into force on 16th February 2005. In which of the following states is the Bihula festival very popular? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Friends, Bihar festival is a well-known festival in eastern Bihar, especially in the Bhagalpur district of Bihar. Devotees pray to goddess Mansa for the well-being of their families during the festival, which takes place every August. The Tattvabodhini Sabha was established by. Right answer is option B, Devendranath Tagore. Friends, on 6 October 1839, Devendranath Tagore established Tattvaranjini Sabha, which was renamed as Tattvabodhini Sabha. The Tattvabodhini Sabha was a group started in Calcutta. It is a faction group of Brahmo Samaj, reformers of Hinduism and Indian society. In 1828, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Brahmo Samaj. Which of the following is an example of bacterial disease? Right answer is option D, typhoid. Friends, typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. And friends, about bacteria, it was discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek is called the father of bacteriology. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is. Right answer is option C, Madagascar. Friends, Madagascar is the largest island in the Indian Ocean with an area of about 226,658 square miles. It is the fourth largest in the world after Greenland, New Guinea, and Borneo. Madagascar lies 250 miles off the eastern ports of southern Africa. France colonized it until June 26, 1960, when it gained independence. Who discovered the inert gases? Right answer is option D, Sir William Ramsay. Friends, the inert gases of the noble gases were discovered by the Scottish scientist Sir William Ramsay. The inert gases are also known as aerogens. These are also known as noble gases. And friends, the six naturally occurring inert gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Who won the title of Miss India USA 2023? Right answer is option B, Rizulmani. Friends, Rizulmani won the title of Miss India USA 2023 in the annual competition held in New Jersey. Sneha Nambiar of Massachusetts was declared Mrs. India USA. Saloni Ram Mohan of Pennsylvania was given the title of Miss Teen India USA. Which Mughal emperor ascended the throne of Fargana? Right answer is option C, Babur. Friends, Babur was the founder of the mighty Mughal dynasty in the Indian subcontinent. After the death of his father Umar Sheikh Mirza, he succeeded to the throne of Fargana, located in present-day Uzbekistan, at the age of 20. Later in 1526, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Battle of Panipat and thus laid the foundation of the eventual rise of Mughal rule in India. Who was the first and last woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Right answer is option B, Razia Sultana. Friends, Radia bint Iltutmish, or popularly known as Razia Sultana, was the ruler of Delhi from 1236 to 1240. She was the first Muslim female ruler and succeeded her father Iltutmish and became the Sultanate of Delhi in 1236. Razia Sultana belonged to the slave dynasty, the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Acid rain is due to air pollution by. Right answer is option D, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Which article states about the abolition or creation of legislative councils in states? Right answer is option C, Article 169. Who among the following had organized in 1904 a secret society of revolutionaries named Abhinav Bharat? Right answer is option A, V.D. Savarkar. Friends, Abhinav Bharat Secret Society was organized by V.D. Savarkar in 1904. It was founded by V.D. Savarkar and his brother Ganesh Damodar Savarkar. The society believed in the armed rebellion which carried out of a few assassinations of British officials. Which of the following is known as laughing gas? Right answer is option A, nitrous oxide. On which neighboring planet of the Earth did scientists find an active volcano for the first time? Right answer is option B, Venus. Friends, earlier scientists had got its indication in the year 2020, but now its evidence has been found in the year 2023. About Venus, it is the nearest planet of the Earth. It is also considered Earth's twin. Venus takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. What is the SI unit of electric power? Right answer is option D, watt. In whose reign did Yuan Shang come to India? Right answer is option D, Harshvardhan. Name the famous one-horned rhinoceros wildlife sanctuary in Assam. Right answer is option D, Kaziranga. Friends, Kaziranga National Park is one of the India's oldest reserve areas. It is located in Golaghat and Nagaon in the Karbi Anglon district of Assam in northeast India. Kaziranga National Park is famous for being the world's largest habitat for the great one-horned rhinos. It was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. Who among the following introduced the doctrine of lapse? Right answer is option D, Lord Dalhousie. Who appoints the acting Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Right answer is option D, President. Friends, appointment of acting Chief Justice is to be made by the President under Article 126 of the Constitution.